We learned about different data structures in Python like list, tuples, set, and dictionaries. All these are the iterables. Basically, we can iterate through them. So we could have a need where there are two different lists or sets or maybe dictionary which are related to each other, and we want to combine them together and create a new data structure, or we can say the container within a container. So for that purpose we use zip. So zip is a function that takes iterables, basically lists or tuples or sets, and aggregates them in a tuple and return an iterator. So for getting to know more about this, let's see an example. Let's say we have two lists over here. One is having the food items and the second one is having all the prices of those food items. Now we have both the prices and the food items separate. But let's say we want to combine them together and create one object itself. So we can use a zip for this purpose. So let's see how can we do that. Let's say result equal to zip, and we are going to pass the food items comma price list. Now let's print that result. Let's see the output of our program. Python ex1.py. Here we can see that it has printed the object. We were expecting that zip to combine them together, but instead it is giving us a zip object. This is because zip is returning an iterator. So it has combined those two lists together and generated a new iterator, and hence it's an object. That is what the result is having now. So let's convert that into a list. So we will have print list result. Let's execute this program and see its output. Python ex1.py. Now here we can see that there were two lists, food items and price list. We combined them together and created a list of tuples. And the tuples are arranged in such a way that there is a one item in a tuple which is a food, and another item is nothing but the price associated with that food item. Now let's see how can we use this zip function in our for loop. So let's comment these two. Now we will write for food comma price in zip food items comma price list colon print. Let's use an f string, and over here we are going to say food price is rupees price. Let's see the output of this program. Python ex1.py, and here we can see that we actually use that zip function, passed both the leads to it, and we got the price and the food item together and we could print them. We can also use zip function to unzip the list of tuples and get the individual items. So let's see that. So let's say we have a list of results which we want to unzip. So we can do it like this. Let's say food underscore list comma prices equal to zip. Now we want a list of the tuples, which is this. When we add star over here, zip knows that we want to unzip this list of tuples into individual lists. So let's print those lists together. So here we will say food list and print prices. Let's execute our program and see its output. Python ex1.py, and here we can see that we got a separate list of food items and the price list when we unzip it. So we can use zip to combine two lists together into a related items, or we can unzip a list of related items into individual lists using a zip function.